Sheets function returns the number of sheets in a reference. This function has only one argument. In a reference argument, select a reference for which you want to know the number of sheets in the workbook. If you leave blank this argument, it returns the total number of sheets in the workbook. If any sheet is hidden in the workbook, it includes that sheet into the total number of sheets in the workbook. Leave blank this argument, click OK. It returns 20 because there are 20 sheets in this workbook. Press delete key. Right click on any sheet. Right click. Click hide. Again active this sheet. Click sheets function. Leave blank reference box. Click OK. It again returns the total number of sheets 20 and it includes hide sheet. Active this cell. Click sheets function. Now I create 3D reference in a reference box. Scroll left. Click IS reference function sheet. Press shift key and hold down. Click N function sheet. Click any cell reference of IS reference function sheet. Click OK. Function returns 3 in this cell. This is called 3D reference because there are 3 sheets in this reference. This is sheet number 1, this is sheet number 2, and this is sheet number 3. So this function counts total number of sheets and number of sheets in 3D reference.